स्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् यत्सं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम् अस्तोपम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः ऐ उन् ऋलक् ए ओम् ऐ औच् अयवरट् लन् न्यामङ्गणं जमै गडदश् जबगडदश् खपचठत चटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अपुगविसर्जनीयानां घण्टः इचुयशानां धालु ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः उपोपद्मानीयानां कोष्ठौ ञमाङ्गनां नासिका च एदैतोगो कण्ठतालु ओदौतोगो कण्ठकोशं मकारस्य दन्तकोशं जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यं नासिका अनुस्वारस्य रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर सु औजस् अम् औषस् ताभ्यां विस् ङेभ्यां यस् ञसीभ्यां यस् ञस् ओसां ङी ओसु सु औजस् तिप्तस्थि सिप्तस्थ विप्पस्मस् ता आतां च आतां द्वं इत् वहि महि ति तः अन्ति सि तः थ नि वः मः ते आते अन्ते से आथे द्वे ये मगे मगे take the next dhatu. Last dhatu what we saw was kam, yes, anya vishesha mukhya dhatava kamo kamayate, right? And the karmani form is kamyate, 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 kamyate. Kam will take a ning. This or ning pratyaya. Ning. Why it takes? There is no reason for it. It takes kam dhatu will take ning. And one rule for that dhatu alone. Only to this dhatu. There are some specific dhatus like that. This dhatu will take ning. After that only you can add ganavikana pratyaya. Kam will take ning. Therefore you get kami. Kami plus you add the pratyaya. What are pratyaya? Kami plus shap plus te, or kami plus yak plus te. When you add yak, that goes away. You get kam. There are some dhatus. We'll talk about that later in detail. Yak is ardha dhatuka pratyaya when it follows, and it is, will take itarama? No. Yakara. So ni, that e, which is of ni, kami. In kami, that e is because of ning, ni, that goes away. So kam plus yak plus te, kam yate, this is a very form. We are going to see more of this later. So now the next one. Similarly, we can take this dhatu. Akar dhatu, I think we will do it tomorrow. We will take this kram. Kram also like kam only, same. Kam becomes kamayate. Kram becomes kramati. Let's see. Kramati. Atikramati. Krama is a dhatu, and the content of the dhatu after knowing the letter kram. So kram, kramati, kramataha. Okay. Now, Maraniji. Kram.
Kramati, kramataha, kramati, kramasi, kramataha, kramatha, kramami, kramava, kramavaha, kramavaha. Kramavaha. But it's not so simple. Why don't you karmani? Karmani also you do. The same logic. Again? The same. Good. Kramati Parasmipadi. Converted to Atmanipadi, you are reaching Atmanipadi suffix. If that is clear, important thing that is done, that you understand it very well. Good. Kramyate. Then let us chant this. Okay. One more question, why not? Tell me the Shatranta form. Kraman. Kramat is the Pratipadika. Kraman. Kramanto. Kramanta. Karmani what? I'm picking out the forms.
Karmani Shanach. Okay, very good. Why don't you answer it? Okay. Yes, good. You're taking the right direction only. I appreciate that. See, Kram Parasmipadi dhatu Kramati Kramataha Kramanti. And Atmanipadi Kramyate Kramyante. Okay. Now this Shanach you want to add. When do you add Shanach? Atmanipadi. Karma is Parasmipadi. How can you add? Can add if it is a Karmani. Because in Karmani it is Kramyate. Right? So Shanach Karmani. Karmani Shanach. Even if it is a Parasmipadi dhatu, but if you want to add Shanach, it is possible in Karmani Prayoga. Because in Karmani Prayoga you add Atmanipadi suffix. Atmanipadi suffix, instead of Atmanipadi suffix, Shanach to be added. Right? Understand?
Yes.
So, it comes. If it is Karam.
I had to add yak.
Huh?
I had to add yak and shanti.
Yes. The same thing.
So, Shati Pratyaya is not in...
Karmani, the Kramyate, check for my mothers for Karmani. I think it is Kramyate only. Atikramyate. It's not Kramyate. Kramati, therefore Kramyate. Okay, now Karmani Shanach. Adding Shanach now. So Kram plus Shanach. What will happen? Kram, Shanach. How do you add this yak? Karmani. Karmani. Therefore, Kram plus yak comes. Karmani, Sarvadhatuke, yak, not shab. You said shab. Why shab? Shanach is a shab. It's a contradiction. Shanach is a Shanach that yes, Shanach in Karmani. Okay. Why you add Shanach to a Parasmipadi dhatu? That itself shows it is Karmani. If it is Karmani, then you cannot add Shab. Sarvadhatuke, our Vivaksha is Karmani. If it is karmani prayoga, then yak will come. Instead of ting pratyaya, shanach is there. That's all. Okay. So, therefore, yak plus shanach. Content of shana is ana. So, kram plus yak plus, the kram will become kram. Okay. They get kram, then tell me. Mukkarama, because it is adantanga. Kakara is it, kramya, mukkarama, makara, makara plus ana, kramya. The same thing with kamu dhatu. Kam dhatu, it comes in Mundaka Upanishad. Kam dhatu, anyway, it is what dhatu? What? Understand this, kamyamana?
Just remember the
Mukkarama comes if it is a adantanga. 1, 4, 6, 10. Adantanga will take mukkarama when followed by ana, that is shana, shanach. You can note, these are miscellaneous rules. Okay. Adanta anga will take muk when followed by shana. 1, 4, 6, 10. Followed by shanach. Actually, ana is a rule, but in the context, you can kramyate, kramyate.
Which dhatu?
Krama dhatu, not krama. We have krama. Krama is order, but from this only you get krama.
What is the meaning of this?
Krama is gatyartha. Krama is movement, to move. You can check the dhatu kosha. Please check the dhatu. Check the dhatu. Yeah, check the. You tell me the meaning of the dhatu. Then I will tell you the meaning of the kamyamana. Dhatu kosha. Check the dhatu. Kram dhatu.
Kam dhatu. Kam dhatu.
Not kam. Kram.
Kram.
Udayapati? No, it's Atmanepati written here. Not fourth gana. It is in the first gana. You don't have dhatu kosha? Don't use your mobile in the class. Keep it inside. Kam plus shanach. Okay, first you let us do this, and then
Kram is to walk.
to walk. Yes, gatyartha. Atikramati means he crosses over. So kramyamana, that which is walked over, walked. That which is crossed over. Atikramyate. That which is walked over.
Kradanta pradipadika.
Sridanta, kramla, verum just karmani prayer mattum. Kramyate, irka.
Kramyamana.
That's okay. Fine. Adha kramyamana irukku. Karmani prayer kramyate irukanu paakam. Ela rule vara check pannalam. Okay. Right? Kramyamana, see, saha kramati. Kram is gatyartha dhatu, in the sense of movement. There are many dhatus in the sense of movement. Dram dhatu, movement. Gam is that's why basic dhatu, gam dhatu, gatyartha dhatu. Gam is going. Srip, that's also movement. Chal and kutilayam gatau, one dhatu is there. All these are gatyartha dhatu. Okay.
Sharon, this is written meet. In the last word is the verb at the end. So meet is it referring to this?
Meet? Where is
What
meet?
means?
Huh?
In Dhatu Kosha, information about the Dhatu at the end is given meet.
For this dhatu?
Yes.
Kram dhatu?
Yes.
I
So
don't
it
know what it
refers
is.
to what?
I don't know. Maybe this may be there in the Mitam Rasvaha. In the no. Okay.
Here it is given.
This
Here it is given in the name of it, right? Gana.
That's what,
The
Mitam.
dhatu belongs to.
Mitam Rasvaha. That is a subgroup. It's a subgroup called that under that group it comes Kram. So those dhatus in that subgroup undergo certain change. Like we saw one example in that class also. In the what is that?
10th Gana Dhatu. In 10th Gana, do you remember the examples? You have 10th Gana examples what I gave? There we saw. I told you there, this becomes Rasva, I will tell you later. Remember? Somewhere in the 10th Gana, I don't remember the Dhatu, okay. I cannot recollect the Dhatu. That adding next, that Upada Vriddhi happens, but it becomes Rasva, I said. Can you remember the Dhatu? Anyone? Okay, let me check Vicharadigana. So that it is a subgroup. Nidam Rasvaha. Okay, let me. No. Upada will be Akara. I am not recollecting the Dhatu. Let me check. Gamaya will take it. Okay. Gam Dhatu. Good. Simple Dhatu. Gam. So Gam plus which what will happen? Gami. Vriddhi happen. Doesn't happen. It happens, then it becomes short again. That is for the particular Gana, the 10th Gana. You can just check the subgroup is for the 10th Gana. 10th Gana, those dhatus in a particular subgroup, right? That Upada, again, it becomes Rasva. So that is why he is giving with Mitam Rasvaha iti. I gave more dhatus, Gam and a few more dhatus are there. Kata is different. Kata is different, but there are some other dhatus. Huh? That is Chalayati, that is no problem. There are some dhatus. What is? Okay. Gam dhatu you take. Okay. Gam. Gam dhatu.
You give it Churna, Danta, Pal, Marj, Paksha, Tat, Raj, Such, Kant.
Okay, I'll tell you this later. I will remember. It is in the 10th Gana or in the 1st Gana. Maybe in the 1st Gana. Because Gam Dhatu is 1st Gana. So Gam Dhatu is converted to causative form by adding H. So the Gam will be the 1st Gana. In the 1st Gana there is a subgroup. The subgroup that begins with where Makara. This particular condition is that when you, in the causative form, when you add H, the Upada becomes Rasva. I will check and tell you. Okay. That is why he is giving with the indication. Let's set up dhatus. Okay. I don't neglect, it will keep on gnawing my mind.
No, it's okay.
Okay. You won't be able to proceed further. Okay, fine. I'll tell you later. Now, the Kramyamana you get. Kramyamana is Saha Kramati. Kramati is movement. Atik Kramati will come in Upanishad. Taitra Upanishad you will be studying. Atik Kramati, crosses over. Samsara Sagaram, Atik Kramati. With Ati Upasarga it means crosses over. Because Kram is walk and Atik with Ati Upasarga crossover. Saga Kramati, Saga Ati Kramati. Now Kramyamana is that which is crossed over. What is denoted? What is Adhigita? Object is Adhigita. Karma is Adhigita. Therefore, he crosses over this ocean of samsara. The ocean of samsara is Adhigita. So, Kramyamana is that which is crossed over. That which is crossed over. Bhavasagaraha. Kramyamanam Bhavasagaram. Bhavasagaram, that is the ocean of samsara, which is crossed over. Kramyamana. Kramyamanaha Bhavasagaraha Tena, by him. Okay, so refers to the object. Refers to the object. Like, let me take Gam Dhatu. First I should have done the Gam Dhatu, simple Dhatu. Everywhere we are saying Gachati Gachati. So, now let do Gam Dhatu. Gam plus Shanaj. Can you add Gam, Shanaj? You can add only in Karmani. I am adding a Shatranta. I am adding a Kradanta. Shatra or Shanaj, two possibilities are there. Gam will, being a perspective dhatu, it will take Shatra only. So you get Gachat. But I am adding Shanaj. Therefore the Vivaksha is different. Not Kartari, it is Karmani. Therefore the Vivaksha is Karmani. Gam being a Prasmipadi, I am adding a Shanaj instead of Shatra. It means Karmani. I did not tell, it is understood. When a dhatu takes a different pratyaya, it means vivaksha is different, karmani. So, gam plus shatru, what do you get? Gachat, gachan, gachantav. Gachan Ramaha, the Rama who is moving. Now, shanach when you add, you get a pratipadikam. What pratipadikam? It is direct. Gam plus karmani. Karmani, yak will come. Karmani, sarvadhatuke yak karmani, sutra. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, sarvadhatuka. Shanach is sarvadhatuka. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows a dhatu, yak will come in karmani. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, gana vikrana come in kartari. Right? Clear? So here, gam dhatu, parasmepadi dhatu, taking the atmanepadi, shanach. Shanach is not atmanepadi, equivalent to it. Okay. Think equivalent. Think equivalent is shanach in Kridanta. When you take shanach, it means it's karmani. So gam plus yak plus shanach, what do you get? Gamyamana. It means that which is gone. That which is gone. Gamyamanam shakatam, you can say. Okay. Shakatam. Shakatam. Nadim patati. Shakatam nadim patati. Shakatam is Shakatam or Shakataha? Shakataha it is, right? Shakataha. Shakatam, Napumsakalinga or Pullinga? Just see. Sure, Napumsakalinga, Shakatam. Okay, Shakatam nadim patati. What does it mean? Patati, falls. Cart falls into the river, right? Now, okay, you tell me the moving cart falls into the river. What is the word for moving? You can use gum also, no problem. In this example, gum will be easy. Huh? I can show you the. Huh? Listen, moving cart falls into the river. Yeah. Nadim. Nadim patati, nadyam patati. It's okay, no problem. Don't think. Okay. Nadim patati is okay. The place of destination is Nadim patati. Nadyam patati also you can say. Now, the moving cart falls into the river. Okay, if the Nadim is what is this thing, let me make it Pravishati. No problem. Otherwise it will keep on knowing in mind why it is Nadyam. Nadim Pravishati, it enters into the river. Now you cannot say anything. Okay. Now tell me, the moving cart falls and enters into the river. Good. What is that? Gachat. It is Shakatam is Napumsakalinga. Therefore, Gachat. Gachat Shakatam Nadim Pravishati. Now converting this into Karmani. In Karmani, okay, in this which is Karta? Shakatam. Karma is Nadim. Pravishati. T is a, therefore we know it is Kartari. Now convert this into Karmani. So that which is Karta will go in Tritiya Vibhakti. Karma will be in Pratama Vibhakti. Okay. Which is Karta here? Shakatam is Karta. Will go in Tritiya Vibhakti. Now, tell me. Shakatena Nadi Pravishyate. Shakatena Nadi Pravishyate. And Gachat will become not Gamyamana. Gacchata. Gacchata Shakatena Nadi Pravishyate. Right? Gamyamana is not yet come. Okay. I'm thinking of using Gamyamana here. Let me see. Pravishyate. Okay. Now, this Gachat Shakatam Nadi Pravishati. So, the Shakata, which is Gachata Shakatena Nadi Pravishati. So, I will use Gamyamana. How can I use Gamyamana? This example fits in the earth. Copy, yeah. Abhimanam. No. Shatrantam is Shatrantam in between. Shatrantam is okay. Then here another example.
Here in this inconvenience, Janaha,
Yes, this example I'm trying to go, just a minute. Okay, this Gachata, okay, taking here this itself. Gachat Shakatam Nadim Pravishati. This itself, Gachat Shakatam, enter into the river. Gachat Shakatam Nadim Pravishati. Pravishati is Atmanepadi, right? Now, Karmani is Pravishyate. So, I'm trying to convert Gachat, but Gachat in the sentence is not possible. Okay, you have to think. So, but we can convert Pravishyati. Gachat Shakatam Pravishya. Te is a Pravishyate, Pravishyamana. Pravishyamanam, Pravishyamana Nadi Asti. Gachat Shakatam Pravishyamana Nadim Asti. The moving car entered Pravishyamana Nadim. Nadim is the Pravishyamana Nadi. Okay, not Nadi Pravishyamana. The Pravishyamana, not Pravishyamana. Sorry, this Nadi, I need a qualifier for Nadi. Let me say Vagantim Nadim. Now it will make sense. Gachat Shakatam Vagantim Nadim Pravishati. Moving car enters into the flowing river. That is Vagantim, right? Now Gachat Shakatam. Now Vagantim will become Vakhdatu. Vakhyamana. No. It will take Samprasarana. Vakhyamana. Take a wrong example. I have to tell you what Samprasarana is. Va will become Ukhyamana. Okay, that's not Vakhyamana. For Vakhyamana, I don't think it is Ukhyamana. Okay. Samprasarana will happen. I will talk about that later. Vakhyamana Nadim. Vakhyamana Nadim Pravishati. So here you can see this is the Shanaj. This is the Shanaj Vakhyamana, Vakhyam, Ukhyamana. How Vak becomes Uk, we will see later. Okay. Vak becomes Uk. Vaganti, Vagati, Vagataka, Vaganti, it is Parasmipadi. Now, to that,
Ukhyamana.
Ukhyamana. Okay. Samprasanam happens. I will talk about that Samprasanam later.
Shanach is there.
Yeah, yeah.
Vahamana.
Huh?
Vahamana. Shanach.
Ukhyamana?
Yak.
Huh?
Yak pratyaya. Yak pratyaya.
Uh-huh.
Ukhyamana.
Ukhyamana only. Yes. Ada. Vahamana is
Shanach. They are different.
Ukhyamana is Shanach. Okay, anyway. Ukhyamana. Let us take Ukhyamana. If it is mistake, I will correct later. It is Ukhyamana. To my knowledge, when Vak follows the Kit Pratyaya, Samprasanam happens. So, Ukhyamana. Ukhyamana means the flowing river. Nadi is the karma. So, Vaganti. Right? Now, instead of Vaganti, I am converting Vaganti to Atmanipadi. Therefore, Shanach is added. Vak plus Shanach. When do you add Shanach? When it is karma. So, Ukhyamana Nadim Pravishati. So, here it is karma. Ukhyamana referred to the karma. What is Abhita by Ukhyamana is the object Nadim. To take very simple example, Ramaha, this is coming back to very simple example, Palam Kadati. Okay. Ramaha Palam Kadati. Now, Karmani Prayaga will be Ramena Palam Kadyate. Ramena Palam Kadyate. Now, Ramena Palam Kadyate. Ramena Asti and the Kriya Palam Asti. And Palam is the object. Okay. No Asti. Asti whether it will get Ramena. Now, Ramena Palam Kadyate is Karmani Prayaga. Now I want to use Shanach. Shanach when I use Ramena Kadya Manam Palam. Asti is understood. You can supply Asti. Ramena Kadya Manam Palam. The fruit eaten by Rama. Ramena Kadya Manam Palam. These both are same only. There is no difference. These both are same. This is Karmani Prayoga and this Karmani Prayoga I am using the Shanach. The Kadyate becomes Kadyamana, signifying, denoting the karma, which is Palam. The same thing I gave in that example. That example also correct. Ukyamanam Nadim. Maria, you asked this Shanach. That's where I started.
Sorry.
It's okay. I should have some ready-made example. I have to think, okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. I should say sorry because I am not getting a right example immediately.
We understood this.
Okay. Ramaha Palam Kadati. Always that Ramaha Vanam Gacchati, Palam Kadati. We have to start with the basic example. So, I will explain this again. Please listen. Ramaha Palam Kadati, we know it's Kartari Prayoga. In Karmani Prayoga, here Karta is Abhigita in Kartari. Palam is Anabhigita, Karma. So, in Karmani, what is Abhigita? Karma. Let's take Pratama Vibhakti. So, this is 1-1. Pratama Vibhakti, Palam. And Karta will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. Because Karta is Anabhigita in Karmani Prayoga. So, Tritiya Vibhakti. Now, the same sentence, Kadyate. Kadyate is the Kadudatu Parasmipadi. When it takes Atmanipadi, means it is Karmani. When you can take Atmanipadi, I can use Shanach. If I want to use Shanach, Kadyate refers what? Pointing to Palam. Palam is the karma. Therefore, Palam, Kadyamanam Palam Ramena. The Palam which is eaten by Rama. Same meaning. Ramena Palam Kadyate, Ramena Kadyamanam Palam. Both mean the same. Here Kadyamanam is what vibhakti? Pratama vibhakti. It is Karmani. Same. Pratama vibhakti. Ramena Kadyamanam Palam. Ramena is Tritiya vibhakti.
Then as a verb here we should understand.
Asti you can also supply.
Bhavati or this. It always,
Yes, yes.
verb will be always This one.
If it is verbal equivalent, it's not there. I mean, even if it is there, even if it is past tense, always you can supply asti. Always you can supply asti. That is why asti is loosely translated as is. In fact, there is nothing without isness. Right? Everything is. So asti. So Ramena Kahadimana Palam asti. Always you can say. Even if it is past. That's why translation into English, we have to do it properly. Asti is therefore I should use is. No, not like that. Or you can say asi. If it is past tense, you can use asi.
Start.
Asi. Yeah. So Kadyamanam Palam. Kadyamanam Shanaj qualifying Palam. Palam is Pratama Vibhakti. Okay. Palam is Pratama Vibhakti, it is karma. So when karma is denoted and you are using Shanaj for Prasmipati Pratyaya, you can add. The same way you add the Ting Pratyaya. Kadyate becomes Kadyamana. Palam Kadyate, Kadyate denotes Palam. Kadyamanam Palam, Kadyamana denotes Palam. The same. Right? The same thing for the other example also. That example you leave it. Another example I will give you. So therefore, remember, Parasmepati Dhatu can take Shanaj. When? In Karmani. In Karmani, when it denotes karma, it can take Shanaj. Another example from here.
Sharan,
Yes.
can we see that small number, please?
Which one?
The deduct this. 3, 1.
This is Ramena 3-1. Palam is 1-1. Kadyate is 1-1. Kadyate is
The
Pratama
last,
Purusha.
the last sentence.
Yeah, the same thing. The last sentence also same thing. Pratama Purusha Ekavachana. You understand this sentence? Kadyamanam Palam Ramena?
Yes.
Yes? One more example.
So I can use both.
Yes, why not? If you want to think, you use Tinganta, Kadyate. If you want to use Shatanta, Kadyamanam Palam. Right? Then Gita, I'm taking example from this book. Gita, Shlokam, Smriti. Smriti, you can take the form. Shatanta form will be different. I'll tell you what form is. You can take. Gita, Shlokam, Smriti. Now convert this into Karmani. Shlokam what linga? Shlokaha. Pullinga. So, tell me, Smarati, this Kartari Prayoga, Smarati denotes what? What is Abhigita Gita? What Vibhakti Gita is? 1-1. Please mark this. Make the habit to mark the cases. 1-1. Gita is 1-1. It is Karta. Abhigita Karta, Pratama Vibhakti. And Shlokam is Anabhigita Karma, 2-1. Smarati, we know it is Kartari. Now convert this into Karmani. Karmani, Kriya Padam, if you don't know, just wait for some time. You will know it. Focus on the converting the Karta and the Karma now. Gita, yeah. Gitaya, Ramaya Gitaya. So Gitaya is a person, okay, not Bhagavad Gita. Gita is the name of the person. I thought that's a doubt, okay. I thought Gita means Bhagavad Gita. Gita is the name of the person. Gita remembers the shloka. Maria remembers the shloka. You can change it. Gita is problem, change it to. Okay. So Gitaya. Shlokaha. Okay. Gitaya what vibhakti? 3-1. Shlokaha 1-1. So Karta is Gita, Tritiya vibhakti. Just close your eyes, say it's Karmani Prayoga. And Karma is in Pratama vibhakti. Karmani Prayoga. These two things are the Karmani Prayoga. Now, Smarati, what will happen to Smarati? What dhatu is that? Smru dhatu. So, I hope you get Smarti. Smru plus Shab plus Ti. Smru will cause Guna. Therefore, Smru will become Smru will become Smru will become what? Ar. Ar. Guna. Right? So, Smara. Smar plus Ar, Smara. Smarati. Now in Karmani, Smru plus Te. Te or Bhagavachanam, that depends on the karma. How many shlokas? Only one shloka, therefore Te. If there are many shlokas, suppose Gita, Shlokan Smaranti, then what will you add? Ante. Bhagavachanam. Here you have to see the Vachanam. Vachanam is, Karma Vachanam is Ekavachanam. Therefore Te. Right? Smru plus Te. What will come now? The Yak will come. Yes, no Guna. Yak will come. Smru plus Yak plus Te. Okay. Smru plus Yak plus Te becomes this Smaryate. Okay. It is Smaryate. Becomes Smaryate. Not Smriyate. This is Smaryate. The rules are there. We'll talk about that rule later. Smaryate. So, therefore, what will happen here? Smaryate. So, Gita Shlokaha Smaryate. Now converting this into Shanaj. Shanaj. Gitaya. Tell me. Gitaya Shlokaha, you meant Shlokaha. Okay. First you have converted Karmani. After that add Shanaj. Gitaya Shlokaha. Huh? Which? Gana? Same. First Gana only. Smarya. Smarya Manaha. Gitaya Smarya Manaha Shlokaha. Shlokaha, that was Smarya Manaha. Gitaya Smarya Manaha Shlokaha. Asti. Always you can say Asti. Clear this? So, Shloka is karma. Therefore, the Kriyapadam, the Dhatu, when you add Shanaj, goes along with the karma. Karma being Shloka, which is a Pullinga, therefore Smarya Manaha. Right? So, thanks, really. In this book, Shanaj Karmani is given. That also is covered now. We will do some more examples. That's what is left out. That is also covered. I want to do more, take more on Karmani, but anyways, we have entered here.
Sorry. The translation would be by Gita, the shloka is remembered.
Yeah, the shloka is remembered by Gita. The same. The translation of this and this will be same. Smarimana Shlokaha Gitaya. Remembered, this is shloka remembered by Gita, this shloka. The shloka is remembered by Gita, that's the meaning. Then, the next one. Ramaha, Vanam Gacchati, I can do it, right? Ramaha Vanam Gacchati. Karmani will be Ramena. This Napumsakalinga will be confusing, you have to be careful. In Kartari and Karmani, both are same. Do watch that. Here Vanam is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. That problem will come only in Napumsakalinga, but most of the words will be in Napumsakalinga. Huh? Yeah, I know. Here, important copy pasting. So 3-1 and this is 2-1. So in the first sentence, Kartari, it is Vanam. Vanam is Dvitiya Bhakti. Okay. Here it is Vanam. Change it. So Vanam, Ramaha Vanam Gacchati. The first sentence, Vanam is karma. The second sentence, Vanam is karma only, but it's Pratama Vibhakti. So Gacchati will become Gamyate. Vanam Gamyate, Tena Ramena. Shanach form will be Ramena Vanam, Gamyamanam. Gamyamanam Vanam Ramena, same meaning. Forest is reached by Rama. Then another example. Chatraha Patam Patati. You want to copy this?
Yes.
Okay, you please ask, tell me, I'll wait. Copy. Chatraha Patam Patati. Karmani will be Chatrena. Pata is what linga? Infinitive we are saying Prathamas Pataha, Dutiyas Pataha, Pataha, Pullinga. So Chatrena Pataha Patyate. Chatrena Pataha Patyate. And now Karmani Shanach will be Chatrena Patyamanaha Pataha. Here, Chatraha Patam Patati, this also we can use Shatranta. Patan Chatraha Patam Asti. So these two are Kartari. One is using Tinganta, other one is using Shatranta. This is Karmani, Tinganta, Karmani, Shanach.
It's not karma.
Which one? These two are Karmani.
Chatraha pataha patyate means what?
Sorry, not Chatraha. Okay, Chatrena. If Chatraha Pata Patate is wrong, Ashuddha Vakya. Now it's Karmani, right? So Kartari and Karmani.
Sharanji, can you explain the Shatra, the second one?
Patan Chatraha. Okay, sorry. Patam Patan Chatraha. Yeah, this, I think you have difficulty in this, putting the Patam here. The Patam has to be placed here. I can place it anywhere, okay, but you should know it is Karma. Patam Patan Chatraha Asti. Now it makes sense.
Yes.
But even if, otherwise also it's correct only. Patam, when you see, Patam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. It is Karma. It can be placed anywhere. Right? That is what you are supposed to do when you do the Anvaya. When you do the Anvaya of the Shloka, find out the Karaka. So it can be anywhere. Patam Patan Chatraha Asti. Any doubt in this?
What's the
Thinking?
translation?
No? Slowly.
What does it mean?
Tell me, you
I
can spend one full class.
What fourth one's translation can you say?
Same as the third one. What is the translation of third one? Chatrena Pataha Patyate. The lesson is read by the student. Right? Patyamana Pataha Chatrena. The lesson is read by student. English also same only.
If we convert into past, what did we do there?
Huh?
I'm confused.
What?
If we convert into past, more past? No.
We are not talking about past at all.
Mhm.
Where are you talking about past? Oh, you want past tense? We'll try that?
Oh no, not now. slowly.
In fact, I wanted to introduce past tense actually. Past tense Karmani. Karmani?
Chatrena
Pataha Patyamanaha.
What does it mean exactly?
Pataha lesson. Patyamanaha refers to the lesson. Chatrena student karta. A lesson read by the student. You cannot literally translate, okay? If we literally translate, what will happen? Reading lesson by the student. A lesson which is read,
No,
you
the
cannot
lesson-
translate, huh?
The lesson is
Read by the student. Yes, that's what translation is. That's what the translation of Karmani also, the sentence. Chatrena pataha patyate, a lesson is read by the student. The same translation for this also.
The second sentence I'm not able to understand.
Patam, patan chatraha. Why?
Reading student?
Yeah, a student reads, same. When you can understand this, you should understand this also.
No, this I am not able to.
See, that's what I'm saying.
Yes.
Shatranta, what we have done so far. Patam patan chatraha asti. A student reads, that's all. The translation is, the student reads the lesson. Lesson is the patam. Here there is no two karma. Really speaking, two karmas are not there. Asti is there, you can take asti as one karma. A student reads, that's the translation. Okay. Patam patan chatraha gacchati. Does it make sense? No sense. Why? It should make sense. Chatranta, come on. Patam patan chatraha gacchati. Reading student, while reading the student goes. Translation.
Oh, but the lesson is connected to while reading the lesson,
Yes.
the student goes.
Yes. Patam patan chatraha gacchati. Gacchati. Kaha chatraha. What is he doing? Reading. Reading what? Lesson. So translation will be while reading he goes. That makes sense, right? Instead of gacchati I can put asti. What's the problem?
And then would be just
Tra-
student reads the lesson.
That's it. A student reads. The translation will be a student reads. You cannot translate like the previous sentence, while reading he walks, because there two kriyas are there and movement is there. But here asti only translate. You cannot translate. So you can do only parallel translation, not the exact translation. A student reads. There is no difference between these two sentences. One is tinganta, other one is shatranta. Shatranta, there the kriya goes as an adjective to the karta. Similarly, there is no difference between these two. Here, the shanach goes an adjective to karma and karmani kriya. That's all. Is it clear? Anchaka? Yes? If you want to write the translation, please write. See.
I would like.
Hmm?
I would like. Yeah.
You want to write?
Yes.
Chatraha patam patati. A student reads a lesson. I will make it smaller. There is no space. Then I can zoom it. A student reads a lesson. Patan chatraha asti. If you literally translate, a reading student is, but that translation doesn't look good. You cannot translate like that. A reading student is, the translation, proper translation will be, a student reads a lesson.
There is,
Huh?
there is a reading.
There is a student reading a lesson. There is, where is there in Samskritam here? You cannot ask like that, okay. But it's okay.
No,
You can,
but the asti and there is, or there are in English there
yes, yeah, there is. If you
Are
want to,
readings
huh?
There is a reading.
Not required. You can, this is the translation. A student reads a lesson is fine. That's the translation.
Yes, yes. Just by my understanding.
Yeah.
There is a reading student.
Yes, correct only. Yes. A reading student is, there is a reading student. Then the next one. Chatrena pataha patyate. A lesson is read by student. The same thing here also. Chatrena by the student. Read lesson, not read lesson, is being read. So, reading lesson by the student. That is the reading of lesson by the student. It's very complicated translation. So better translation in English is, a lesson is read by the student, the same translation. See, that is why the translation of the shlokas or the mantras of the Upanishad, Swamiji will never do exact translation. It will not give meaning. You cannot do exact translation. You have to use the words to convey the meaning of the mantra, shloka. That is why what is that shloka? Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. If you take any other translation, do your karma, don't expect the result. That is what we strongly entrenched in your mind, because that is the translation you find. Anybody will do karma without expecting result? Nobody will do. Nobody will do. Namantopi pravartate, prayojanam anudishya. Even a fool will not engage in any work without expecting result. Expecting result is not a papa. Everybody will expect result. I am doing work, I want the result. The translation is Swamiji how beautifully gives. You have got choice over the action, that's the translation, but not over the result. You have got the choice. You can do the action, you need not do, or you can do it in a different way. You don't have a say over the result. It will come as prasada from Ishvara. It depends on so many factors. That is the translation. How do you translate in English? The problem is the literal translation of English leads to a different understanding and different philosophy. It's a problem. This is an important thing to be learned in Samskrtam.
But that's in every language,
Yeah, but in Shastra, when it is translated like that, it's disastrous.
Yes, because it's spiritual.
This confusion is all over India. When Puji Swamiji, he knocks off this area. It's so particular about words. He will say, even in dream I will not utter these words. Okay? He will not say sin, the word he will not use. Even in dream he will not use the word sin.
But then
He will not use the word, he will not translate the word Jagat. He will not translate the word Atma, soul. What soul is? Only slippers have got soul. He will not ever use the word soul. Atma is Atma only. Okay, yeah.
But then historically we have to come to Nehru, your first prime minister, who accepted English as a national language, and this is the foolish things that he did. And now it's all these results.
What is it? I get you.
I'm saying that your first prime minister of India accepted English
Yeah,
as
don't
a
talk about that
national,
idiot, okay.
which is the biggest mistake that we can now reap the results.
That's they're talking about Nehru.
We are also forced to study English.
That's okay. See, English
English
as a language is beautiful. Okay, that's fine. I enjoy it. See, the language as that, it is fine. But there is no connection. You cannot literally translate one language to another language. Every language is so beautiful. Okay? You cannot underestimate any language. English is fine. It's a beautiful language. But when we translate from English to Samskrtam, Samskrtam to English, you cannot do exact translation. You have to understand the tatparya of the vakya, right? And then do translation. So, here, understand the tatparya, translate like this. Okay. So, past tense. Time is past. I didn't do anything today. Yeah.
Can I ask about the last class?
Please ask. Is it okay? Shall I close the class? Serving is there?
Yes,
So, Shanti Mantra, then you can ask. Only these four lines today. Okay. No, it's okay. You poked me at least I came to challenge. I thought of doing this later, but occasion came today. I thought of teaching you something else. Okay. We'll do it tomorrow. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Yes, please ask.
About the karma yoga without karma.
Bali prayer, okay.